Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a makeup monthly. This is the kind of video I will do at the end of every month where I feature new makeup I've brought into my collection, makeup I've emptied, or makeup hacks. A combination of all three, 2 out of 3, kind of depends on the month. But this month I actually did not repurchase any new makeup. The only new products that came into my collection were my BoxyCharm products. And I already did a separate video on those, so I will go ahead and leave that video in the description box. But let's just go ahead and start off with the empties. I've got 3 empties this month. I have more than half as many empties as stuff that came into my collection. I've got 4 new makeup products through BoxyCharm plus a skincare, but I don't include those in these unless they are empty or they are just a part of my morning routine. But let's just go ahead and start in kind of the order I finished them off. I finished the Ulta Beauty Watermelon Face Mist. And this I really liked. I thought I was going to finish it last month, but it didn't quite make it. I finished it early this month. But this is probably one of my holy grail statuses. I do love this. I love how affordable it is. I love how it makes my skin feel, and I actually do really enjoy the scent of watermelon. So this I can see myself repurchasing without a doubt. And now that I'm down 1 face mist, I want to add probably this back into my collection because I do like to keep a certain number of face mists on hand because I do go through them quickly. And as well as a face mist, I emptied a setting spray. I want to say this is like the 3rd or 4th bottle of these I've gone through. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This has always been a holy grail for me. This is continuing to be a holy grail for me. I will eventually repurchase this, but I love it. I adore it. I might go ahead and try the Dewy one just to see how it feels compared to this one. I feel like after using this one up, my skin did look a little drier than it used to be. It could just be my skin is changing, but I'm going to try to purchase this and maybe the little bit of the more hydrating one next time. But either way, some version of this will stay in my collection. I just need to go out and get it. And the last empty I have for the month is the My Clarins Reboost. It's the morning moisturizer. I finished off the nighttime one last month and I did absolutely love it. The same goes for this one. This is a product that I did not actually like at first, but now that I've used it up, it has become one of my favorites in my collection. I love that it's a thicker consistency, but it's not overwhelmingly thick. It's still got a very watery texture to it, but I can feel the moisture seeping into my skin, and I like just how hydrating my skin feels. So this will also be something I would love to repurchase at some point, probably wait for a sale. But again, I'm pretty thrilled that all 3 of my empties this month are all holy grail status in my collection. That shows that I spent my money's well worth on them, and I can highly recommend them to you guys or anyone who's really wanting to know. But all 3 of these things are one of the best types of products in my collection, and so I'll keep my eye out for a sale because I don't think I'm going to pay full price. Well, maybe for the Ulta Beauty one, because honestly it goes on sale like every other day. I think the Ulta Beauty brand always has a sale, so I could see myself repurchasing particularly that one sooner rather than later, but the other 2 will definitely come back into my collection at some point. And I've got one makeup hack to show you, and this is actually a blush combination hack. It is the Ciate London Dewy Blush. This is in the shade, I don't think there's a shade name on this. Oh, the shade Coconut. This is in the shade Coconut. I layered this on bottom, and this I layered to the apples of my cheeks and kind of worked my way up, and then on top of it I put the Colourpop Super Shock Blush in this shade Too Cool for School, and this I focused on the back of my cheeks. It is what I am wearing today. But this would I would focus this on the upper part of my cheeks, kind of going up to my temples, whereas this I would really focus on just giving the apples of my cheeks just a little bit more glow. And I discovered this combination. I think I discovered this combination because I was wearing this one and it didn't really go with the look I was wearing, so I decided to put this one on top of it to try to manipulate the color, and then just the ombre effect and the glowiness, and these are both very hydrating products for my skin. It was just absolutely stunning for me, and this is a combination I have been loving this month. And well, that is everything I have. This was a very short video. I don't know when the last time I went a full month without actually purchasing anything. BoxyCharm, yeah, I purchase that every month, but those things, I'm counting them in my makeup inventory status, but I'm not counting them in my review for this month. So yes, I brought in technically 4 new things through BoxyCharm, but as far as going out of my way to go get something or run to Ulta, I haven't done that this month. And I'm actually kind of proud of myself, but I'm ready to get back into, you know, I want to at least bring in a couple things each month. I'm kind of missing that. But it was good taking a month break, saved my money, brought in other things, used other things. So it was kind of nice just working on what was already in my collection this month. I should probably try to do some of those no buys more often, which this was not an intent. It was just where I was at for the month. But yeah, now I don't have to, it's just 1 month down. It's kind of weird. I don't remember the last time I did that. But with that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this gave you some insight on just some very trivial things such as makeup. But hey, it can get expensive, so if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.